Hello, I'm Lene Rhodes, owner of Mix Cosmetics. I make custom organic skincare, makeup, body care, and I've been doing it for a lot of years. And ever since the beginning, one of my favorite things has been to talk to people about the ingredients, the why behind adding them to certain products, and what you might find them in, and what do they do for your skin. And are they safe for the planet? So today we are going to talk about silk. Silk is something I've actually been using for almost as many years as I've been making skincare. I started out about 15 years ago making soap. Just making a really basic vegetable oil Castile type soap, and I added silk to my lye water when I was making it because it makes your soap feel so silky and gorgeous. It makes that lather just beautiful. And then I started making a silk based face wash that I love so much, and silk is just this incredible ingredient that holds moisture in your skin, draws moisture to your skin, helps to make your skin look smooth and just firm. So as you age, your skin can kind of start to sag, and it's not as plumpy. It's not as firm. So when you touch it, when you pinch it, sometimes it doesn't go back into form as quickly as it should. But silk will just applying it will help your skin begin to hold that form a little bit better. And because it's loaded with amino acids, it gives your skin the building blocks necessary to make more collagen, keratin, which are the basis of your skin and what holds the moisture in, what builds your skin cells, and helps to protect your skin from the environment. So silk will provide those building blocks that maybe you're not providing as much. So yes, it does come from silkworms. It's not vegan. It's one of those things that I've played with, and I enjoy, so I do utilize it, just like I use pearl powder and I use beeswax. So sometimes people do say, well, it's not vegan and I don't want to use it. I totally get that, which is why I make custom skincare and cosmetics, because then you can say, I'm not comfortable with using silk. I'm not comfortable with using pearl. I'm not comfortable with using beeswax. We can create something that works for you. But silk has of course been used for thousands and thousands of years in Asia, and there was always leftovers. There were always bits that weren't any good for weaving garments out of and that kind of stuff. And so basically they started grinding it really, really fine and making it into powder. And this is what women would use as their face powder. They could use it on their hands, and it would strengthen their skin, draw moisture, and build skin. So it also, oddly enough, forms a bit of a film on your skin, so it helps hold your makeup on longer, even though it's drawing moisture. So it can do a couple of jobs and be beneficial for your skin as well. So I definitely do not consider this a cheap filler or additive. It's not cheap by any means. It is more expensive than the loose mineral colors that are made from mica and iron oxides. So it is not a cheap filler. If you see it in makeup, it is there because somebody wants your skin to look absolutely gorgeous. So this is kind of wrapping up my fillers and additives section. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have questions, if there are other additives you've seen in your makeup, in skincare, let me know. If you have questions about them, I want to answer them, and we will talk soon. Have a great day.